Alright, so this is going to be part 2 of this leaf blower, McCullich leaf blower. As you can see, it's tore apart. All these pieces are cleaned. We are going to start installing seals and bearings. I've already got the new ring on there. And I had to replace the ring because I broke the original one. My bad. And the only replacement I could find was a caber, so we're all honed up on the cylinder, cleaned up. So that should be a good thing. And then I will have to stop and cut gaskets, which is, I should probably do that first. Alright, so we got our gaskets cut. There's one and there's two. I think that's all I needed to cut. But I got ahead of myself and I started putting the bearings in. If you'd like to know how I've done this, if you go through my videos, there should be some bearing install videos on a Lombard. I install them the same way using these bolts and washers and whatnot. So basically what I do is just stick the bolt through there, and I use the washers and this nut. And you just tighten up and it draws the bearing in. Pretty easy. Now, we're going to see, I left the bearing hanging out a little bit, so we're going to check our clearances. To make sure we don't need to alright, see there? Got a gap. So that means we need to take them on in. Probably pretty much flush. Alright, so this one's out the farthest. And you always press on the numbered side of the bearing. You do it the other way around, you'll mess up the bearing. Yeah. The other side of the bearing is thinner, softer. And how I know is I done it the hard way, and I learned. Let's see if I got a socket to fit this, because that'd be easier. All right, so now There you go. And then we still got the gasket gears in there too. Okay. Yep. So let's move these bits out of the way. Tell you what, we're going to go ahead and do this too. All right, now there's our crank seals. Let's see here. Give it a little polish over there. All right. Easy peasy, yep and easy right there now. So what we need to do is wipe our little straw off here. It's a little just a medicine thing. I swiped from the kids. And I just put 2-stroke in it. One little dab in the bearings. Just so we don't have a dry start. Sorry about the voice. I've been getting over the flu. This is the oil that's in the syringe. Don't take much, and you can usually redo several engines, put several engines together with that little bit of oil, so it doesn't take a lot. Just like that, you bottom ends together. We're going to tighten them up good. It's a nice squishy gasket, and we want to get her tight again, so. Get our base gasket we cut. Look at something there. Okay, so cylinder goes on that way. Just had to verify. I hate to stick this thing on backwards, and then have to tear it completely back apart. Don't usually work on stuff this small. That's the first time this little one's ever been used. Sorry if I'm kind of out of frame here. All right. Hold on. All right, well, I think that's going to be part 2. That's the that's the bottom end put back together. And we're getting kind of long, so we're going to cut this one off here. But stay tuned for part 3, a reassembly of the rest of the blower. Y'all take care, be good, don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Peace.